Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity Investment Account, where we will walk you through the process of setting up and managing your investment portfolio. Fidelity is a well-established financial services company that offers a range of investment products and services to individuals and institutions. To get started, you need to open a Fidelity account, which can be done online or by phone. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is open, you can fund it by transferring money from your bank account or by mailing a check. Next, you need to choose the type of account you want to open, such as a brokerage account, IRA, or 401k. Each type of account has its own rules and regulations, so it is essential to understand the differences before making a decision. For example, a brokerage account allows you to buy and sell investments, while an IRA is a retirement account that offers tax benefits. Now, let's talk about the different types of investments you can make through Fidelity. These include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Stocks represent ownership in companies, while bonds are debt securities issued by companies or governments. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds are investment vehicles that pool money from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. To place a trade, you can use Fidelity's online trading platform or mobile app. You can also call their customer service number to place a trade over the phone. When placing a trade, you need to specify the type of investment, the number of shares, and the price you are willing to pay. You can also set up a recurring investment plan, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. In addition to trading, Fidelity also offers a range of research and education tools to help you make informed investment decisions. These include analyst reports, market news, and educational articles and videos. You can also use their portfolio analysis tool to track your investments and receive recommendations for improvement. Finally, it is essential to monitor and adjust your investment portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can do this by logging into your Fidelity account and reviewing your portfolio, or by speaking with a Fidelity representative. By following these steps and using the resources available to you, you can create a successful investment strategy and achieve your financial goals.